I heard something really interesting by Alex Hormozi that I thought was really a great perspective to have. And it's about the fear of making money. So I was listening to a podcast, and it was with Alex Hormozi and his The Game podcast. Right? I forget which episode it was, but he was talking about a perspective around the fear of money, right? The fear of making money that I thought was really interesting and worth kind of mentioning in this video today. So the way he put it was making money is only the first part of all of that, right? So like starting a business, making money, that's only the first part of it. Making a profit is not the end goal, right? I thought that was really interesting, is that making a profit is not the end goal. So what is? It's after that. It's beyond that. He says that it just buys you a ticket into the next game. And if you understand what money was created for, it's a great reminder, because money is just a tool that gets you to be able to do certain things. It allows you to, buy food. It allows you to pay for equipment to better your business, right? It gets you the ticket into the next thing. It's a resource. It's a currency, right? It's like it used to be with the barter system. We're just bartering with money now. Things have value attached to them, and it allows you to, once you make money, it allows you to get to the next game. I thought that was really interesting, because a lot of people, do have a fear around making money, and I think that it's healthy, because money is one of the things that will kind of create a lot of stress in your life. It'll create a lot of stress, and it'll break relationships, and it's hard to wrap your head around, the financial sector of life. And I think that you don't have to be a master at making money or even understanding how to leverage money, but I think understanding that when you use money as a tool, it really allows you to see the world differently. So I thought that was worth sharing with you guys, and I hope that you guys got some value out of that. Please go ahead and like and subscribe this video. It's been a while since I've posted it, but I'm super excited to share a huge announcement with you coming very soon. So be on the lookout for the next couple of videos where I'll be sharing all of that with you. All right, talk to you guys soon, and take care.